On 26 October 2022, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, had inspected the construction work of the Shillong Government College of Engineering in Mawlai, Shillong. Sangma was accompanied by officials of the Education Department and RUSA Meghalaya that include Commissioner and Secretary of Education Department BDR Tiwari, the Secretary Education Department and State Project Director RUSA Meghalaya Ambrose Ch, Marak, the Principal Consultant RUSA Meghalaya Rangksan Mawroh, officials of the Education Department, architect consultant and the concerned contractor. It was informed that the facility, which will be affiliated to the Northeastern Hill University in Shillong, is expected to be inaugurated soon.
All are required, but Marak requires some.
How is the facilities?
That's okay.
Facilities?
Except that we want more room for.
Which is not scoped in the part of the scope. Not part of the scope.
Okay. That will have to maintain also.
On the same day, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma had also visited the cancer wing of the Civil Hospital Shillong to make assessments for its improvement. While this particular section of the hospital was previously used as a COVID ward during the pandemic, certain renovations had to be made to house the cancer patients. Sangma directed the concerned authorities to make the wards functional so that the patients and the attendants visiting the hospital can avail of rooms for their stay and lessen the inconvenience to the patients during their course of treatment. During the inspection, the Chief Minister was able to interact with a few patients and their attendants in the cancer wing of the Civil Hospital Shillong. Speaking to media persons, Conrad Sangma said that the civil works in the different wards in the building are in progress and it is expected that basic amenities and accommodation should be ready by the first week of December this year.
We came to the cancer wing of the Civil Hospital here in Shillong to see the work going on in the cancer wing. So, as you're aware that during the COVID time, this was also used as a COVID center. And so certain things had to be changed and overall improvement had to be made. So I'm happy to see that a lot of progress has been made. And we are hopeful that by the end of the month or by the first week of December, the entire civil work that is required to make this functional will be complete. Of course, the equipments, the new equipments will take some more time to come because it's being done through a different process. But in the meantime, at least the facilities, other facilities, the different wards for female and male wards and the daycare wards, they will be ready, and hence it will be ready to be used while we can still continue using the machines that were there earlier till the new machines come. So we're happy to see that it's progressing fast and we should be able to make it fully 100% functional by the first week or second week of December.